Hello po, good day. Parito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo 3DS regular hot pink variant po natin. So, stylus natin, nasa likod inserted. On lang natin yung unit. Now, this order is going to Santa Ana, Metro Manila. Now, for your order, this has around 50 to around 80 plus games na naka-install. So, aside from yung mga requested games ninyo, we have installed a few others para ma-fully maximize natin yung memory capacity. Napakita ko lang din yung charging ng ating unit. So once you plug in here your charger, magkakaroon po ng orange light just beside this blue light. And then you'll notice yung battery icon will show running. Mabit ko lang siya. Ayan. So yeah, orange light and then the battery icon. So that means that our unit is charging. Then we have here yung ating Twilight menu application. This application would allow you to play all games like Nintendo DS. Meron na rin po tayo mga Nintendo DS games installed for you. And then we also have yung ating H-Shop application. This application naman would allow you to download 3DS games directly online. Now let me show you yung buttons natin. Now our LR button sa likod, ABXY, our analog, directional buttons, and our select start. All good. And of course, yung ating mga 3DS game. So you just need to open yung naka-gift wrap for the game. So meron tayo dito, of course, yung mga request ninyo Pokemon games, yung mga Mario games, Zelda, Animal Crossing, and maraming pa pong iba. So let's open one of the Pokemon games that we have. Now, I'll be sending na rin po separate photos of the other inclusions dito sa inyong package, sa ating chat. So, okay na po yung ating order. Bali, papak na lang din namin ito and then wait na lang namin yung courier for pick-up. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!